Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming the basics so we can act fast. Check the router and modem LEDs. If lights are offline, power cycle them now. Next, plug your laptop into the router with Ethernet to isolate Wi-Fi issues. Open Command Prompt or Terminal and run ipconfig or ifconfig to see current addresses. Once done, note whether your device shows an APIPA address like 169. 254. X. That tells you DHCP failed and directs the next steps. You now target DHCP and network adapters directly. If using Windows, run ipconfig/release then ipconfig/renew. On Linux, run sudo dhclient-r followed by sudo dhclient. This flushes stale leases and requests a fresh IP. Then, open your adapter settings and make sure IP4 is set to obtain IP and DNS automatically unless a static address is required. Also log into the router and verify the DHCP pool has free addresses and that finish by rebooting the modem, router, and your device in that sequence. Then reconnect to Wi-Fi and confirm you have a valid IP4 address from the router. If DHCP still fails, assign a temporary static IP inside the router's subnet to restore connectivity, and then update or reinstall your network driver. This often fixes client handshake problems. If nothing works, disable firewall or antivirus briefly to rule out software blocks. Reset the router to defaults only after backing up settings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.